Hey, welcome to my newest listing here at 5 Academy Road, and it's located in the Daniels Farm School District. It's a great property, it's 2.5 acres. Let's take a walk down, let me show you the property. So this property about 2.5 years ago had a fire and became a total loss. So this is a very, very unique property, and it's for the right buyer. If you're looking to build a home, this might be it for you. What's unique about this property is that, the insurance company sent engineers out to the property and the foundation was certified. So here you've got the water that runs to the house, the electrical that runs to the house, and you've got a working septic system that's already in place. So really all you have to do is build your home. As a matter of fact, the owners have plans, architectural plans, for a 3,000 square foot house to fit on this foundation that they're willing to give to the new buyers. You don't have to use those plans, or you can revise the plans to your liking. Have you ever thought about living in a tree house? Well, this might be your opportunity. The house is surrounded by tall trees and you're in the woods. So this is just like living in a tree house. Another opportunity. This property actually backs up to Aspen Lane. I mean, the family that used to live here, they used to actually go hiking down there. They would even have picnics down there. They would take their family for family picnics. If you were ever thinking about living in the forest, this is your opportunity to build a brand new house backed up to a forest. So in recap, here we are at 5 Academy Road in the Daniels Farm School section of town. We have a house that burnt, but we have a certified foundation. We have a septic system that's in working condition. We have city water brought to the house. We also have electrical. We even have plans, certified plans, from a builder, from an architect and a builder for a 3,000 square foot house that you can have. If you want to build your house, you can have this house up in 6 months. If you wanted to live in the woods, I mean, you're surrounded 360 degrees by tall trees. It's almost like living in a tree house. If you have any other questions, you might want to give me a call if you want a private showing or more information about this property. I'm Jay Cannone. You can call or text me at 203-209-2529, or you can email me at jay@jcannone.com. Hey, listen, thanks for coming on this tour. It's an interesting property. Hope to hear from you. Hope you enjoyed the tour.